Sorry about that, but whoa, wow, wow, wow. Oh, just saw some lightning. Not really sure if you got it. My phone kind of killed one video and I have to start a new one, but these clouds are hauling ass. Like, not even kidding. And something tells me that the rain is about to start. Clouds are just churning, and they're low. They're very low. It'll never, ever, ever cease to amaze me, the power of Mother Nature. As long as nothing starts twisting up there, we're cool. Let's check out the wind. I'll film until the phone dies. Can you hear it? Can you hear the thunder? Thunderstorm 2014. Well, not the first one, but the first one of the summer, let's put it that way. I'm standing under a part of the house, so I'm just hoping lightning doesn't come too close. You can hear the trees. Hear the actual trees. Ooh, some lightning. Now, for those of you who are thunderstorm illiterate, I'll give you a little 101 of thunderstorms. The wind moves the clouds. The faster the wind goes, the faster the clouds move. Which also means that if there's no wind and there's clouds like this and thunder that's getting louder by the second, holy crap. Okay, there goes the door. Wow. Okay. Hang on. Trying to. Oops. There we go. As I was saying, if there's no wind and the clouds are in this area and the thunder just gets louder and louder and louder, the thunderstorm is basically parked right on top of you. So it is better if there is wind, because the